How to connect Google Sheets to Canva. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So I've got a basic Google Sheet here. So what I'm going to do to connect to Canva is first head over to canva.com. And I'm going to create a new design. Click on create and I'm going to create a new custom design. So it's 1920 by 1080, which is the full screen size. Once that is done, you're going to have to find the Elements tab at the left side of your screen. Go to Elements, and then you can find different kind of options here like sheets, tables, and then charts. So if you just want your sheets, just click on any one of them. Click on See All. Click on the sheet. Now you can easily edit it from here. But to connect your Google Sheets, you can select a chart to represent it in a visual way. So here is the chart. What I'm going to do is scroll down, and then I'm going to click on Import Data. And I'm going to connect it to my Google Sheets. Click on it. Now you'll be asked to log into your Sheets, so select your account. Click on Continue. And make sure to check all the boxes, and then click on Continue again. So here I'm just going to select this random sheet and then click on Done. And as you can see here, it has imported my data from Google Sheets. Now if you want to select a different one, click on these three dots and then select a different spreadsheet. So let me quickly rename this spreadsheet. So I'm going to name it something like videos. Now click enter. Go to your Google Sheets, refresh this. So let me just go here, select a different spreadsheet. And then here I've got the videos spreadsheet. Click on done and you're good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.